So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to discuss about the nation's #1 Olympiad exams conducted by the Indian Talent Olympiad. Considering the current situations, ITO is leaving no stones unturned in involving young minds and ensuring that the children continues to obtain possible information. So students, I have already uploaded the videos for International Science Olympiad, English International Olympiad, International Mathematics Olympiad, and you can go and check the description box for these videos, or else you can go to my playlist of ITO and you can check the videos from there as well. In this video today we are going to discuss about the NESO, that is National Essay Olympiad. So students, you need to be very careful by listening this video and for watching this video, because this exam is little bit different from other language subject exams like English, Maths, Science, GK, Computer and all, because that exams are being subjective. They have the subject knowledge and even they are conducted in the MCQs form, the multiple choice question form. But here essay, you need, like the word says essay, you need to write down the essay, and there is some different pattern has to be followed for writing this Olympiad, for taking participation in this Olympiad. So be very careful and listen carefully and do not skip this video till end so that you will get the complete information. So as you know, essay writing is an art itself. So if you are master in the English language, or you are excellent in sentence structure and you have a decent vocabulary, good vocabulary to write down the essay, so this Olympiad is for you. Yes, it is for you. You can participate in this Olympiad if you are in class 1 to 10. So for this, the Olympiad, the students can participate who are in class 1 to 10. They can participate in this Olympiad. As I told you already that this subject is different from the mainstream subjects such as Math, Science, General Knowledge, English and Computers, because these all exams are MCQ based, that is multiple choice question based. But in the essay exams, of course, you need to write down the essay and you need to upload the file there. The National Essay Olympiad, it encourages storytelling, thus making it more interesting, and student must be well versed with the topic on which they attempt the essay writing. So the topic which will be given, the student should be well versed, that means well known to the topic. The topic should be clear to the student that on which topic he or she has to write down the essay. So in this video further we will discuss about the topics as well given for the video, right? So let us see how to participate in the National Essay Olympiad. So likewise other Olympiad as well, you can directly click on this link. This link I will give in the description box. You can go and directly click on the link and you can register yourself, or you can go to the official website, that is www.indiantalent.org, to participate in the exam or to order your Olympiad books. And for this exam, students, you will not get the previous year question papers, because there is nothing there. Only you will be giving the topics, about the topics you will be given, and you need to write down the essay on the given topics. The last date for applying is 30th September 2021 if you are applying for offline exam, and it is 31st October 2021 if you are applying for online exams. Now let us see how to prepare for essays. So as I told that it is different from other subjects, so you need to be very careful while preparing for the Essay Olympiad. So Indian Talent Olympiad provides essay writing books with topics, hints and ideas. These are the different books. Even the books are available from class 1 to 10 for at different levels, with the topics, hints and ideas to get the to explore the students and to read the topics, right? The book enhances thinking capacity of the students. It improves their grammars and teach them the correct sentence structure. This book helps the children to develop a flair for writing, that means love for writing and language, and of course students will become confident when they participate in the essay exams. Content of these books are developed by the expert using the simple language, so you parents no need to worry. They can leave the students by themselves. So if we talk about the schedule and pattern of this exam, so complexity of the question paper varies according to the class. So even the topic is same, but if you are in class 1 and if you are in class 8, so both the complexity level will be different. The junior will get the easier one and will have to write down in the easier language, and even the senior one have to be very much professional and they have to use the good vocabularies and good words for writing their essays, right? Essay topics are given on the spot. This is the most important point, that when, like, as we are getting the Olympiad exams for other subjects, we are getting a question paper on the screen, and in that question, from these question paper you need to choose one option and you need to just click. But here in the essay Olympiad, the National Essay Olympiad, you will be giving topics on your screen depending on the level or the class in which you are studying, and the topics will be journal. So journal topics can be given like the current affairs or the topics from your surrounding. In the next few slides, I'm going to discuss about the topics which can be given in the exam for the essay writing. And of course, it is a good way to test their journal knowledge, and of course, it is better way to know that if the child is aware about what is happening around him or her. So now the topic of the essay. So two topics will be given on the screen on the spot, and you need to choose any one of the topic. You have to write down the essay, and the marks will be of 50 marks. Total duration of the time will be 40 minutes. You will be given 40 minutes for writing the essay, and then afterwards you need to upload your essay. Whatever you have written, you need to upload that on the portal. The center of the exam, of course, in this pandemic situation, you are sitting at your home. So if the situation will not be okay, of course, you have to give the exam from your home. If the schools will reopen till the date, then you have to give the exam from your school also, right? Now we'll talk about the exam date. So for offline exam date, the date is 3rd December 2021, Friday, and for online, it is 10 December 2021, Friday. So be ready, get registered yourself today and be the part of Indian Talent Olympiad. So as I told you the topics, so for classes 1 to 4, these are the 35 topics which can be, out of these 35 topics, they can give any two topics to you on the screen. You have to choose, out of those two topics, you have to choose one topic for your essay writing. So the topics are our clothes, our body, plants, fruits, suns, water is life, various flowers, wild animal and pet animals, the rain, birds, the sky, my teacher, vegetables we eat, homes of animals, my mother, my father, my grandparents, myself, my family, my town, my classroom, my school, my home, my garden, my hobby, Diwali, the peacock, my pet animal, my best friend, my country, our national flag, the cow, why should we drink milk, the mango, and the tiger. So these are the topics for classes 1 to 4. As I told you, they can give you the topics from your surroundings. So most of the topics are from your surrounding itself. So you should know about these all things, and you should get ready and you should prepare for the Indian Talent Olympiad for essay writing. For classes 5 to 7, they have given 42 topics for us, and out of these 42 topics, they can give any two, and you have to choose any one out of those two. So the topics for classes 5 to 7 are Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Wangari Kurian, the Milkman of India, a rainy day, a market, a morning walk, the newspaper, computer, television, mobile phone, the policeman, our national flower lotus, the Ganga, discipline, my best friend, a visit to a zoo, Taj Mahal, or a visit to a historical place, a visit to a hill station, the day I will never forget, or my picnic, my first day at school, my school library, happiest moment in my life, my aim in life, my favorite book, my favorite subject, an ideal student, cricket, my favorite game, hockey, national game of India, Independence Day, Republic Day, Holi, Christmas, milk, the complete milk, The Camel, A Street Hawker, An Indian Wedding, A Soldier, Health is Wealth, The Traffic Hazards in My City, Autobiography of a Cycle. Now let us discuss about the topics of classes 8 to 10. There are 36 topics. Out of these 36 topics, they will be giving you 2 topics. Out of those 2, you have to choose any one for writing the essay in which you are more confident for writing it. So the topics are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Narendra Modi, My Neighbor, Republic Day, Festival of India, My Favorite Festivals Dussehra, My Favorite Book, Autobiography of a Book, The Importance of Education, A Cricket Match, Urban Life versus Rural Life, A Dust Storm, Blessings of Science, My Aim in Life, My Hobby, The Things I Like to Do During My Pastime, The Happiest Day of My Life, If I Were the Prime Minister, The Lotus Temple, My Visit to Agra and Taj Mahal, A Visit to an Exhibition, The Person I Admire, Mother Teresa, An Hour at a Railway Platform, Complete Blackout a Day Before Exam, The Generation Gap, My Idea of a Happy Life, Global Warming, Role of Computers and Internet in Everyday Life, Plastic, a Boon or a Ban, Life in a Big City, Craze of Western Culture, Unity in Diversity, Pollution, a Threat to Life, Terrorism, Liberty, Not an Anarchy. So as you have seen, the complexity level of the topics also has been increased from the junior level to middle level and middle to the senior level. Now students, I hope this video was informative for you. You got the idea that how to attempt and how to prepare for the National Essay Olympiad. So for other subjects also like GK, Computer Social Studies and Drawing, you can ask me in the comment box for making the video. I'll of course definitely make the next videos on these topics. And of course for mathematics, science and English, I have already uploaded the video. You can check the description box or you can go through the playlist, my playlist of ITO, Indian Talent Olympiad. You will get all the information related to Indian Talent Olympiad from the playlist, right? So thank you everyone. I hope you all like my video. Please do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share this video if you want that to your family members, to your friends, if you want that they should also participate in the National Essay Olympiad. So bye bye everyone, stay tuned with me, keep safe and healthy. Bye bye.